Bullish SPEL token. SPEL cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.003695 and $0.006980 by 2030. Market investigators accept SPEL could reach $0.002874 by 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.000657. SPEL token. SPEL presentation. SPEL token. SPEL is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Essentially, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM, Enchantment Webcash. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi, decentralized money space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like Aave since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $Sushi, and different bend curve tokens as guarantee. Abracadabra additionally offers yield-cultivating potential open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier, LP, tokens to cultivate SPEL tokens. The venture was established by Daniel Sesta, who is likewise answerable for Popsicle Money, decentralized market creator, and Wonderland, Olympusdao fork, both on the Torrential slide chain. Close by him are Zeros Merlin and Squirrel, fellow benefactors of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and altogether recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. In spite of the particular name, Abracadabra's prosperity justifies itself. Last year, it created a normal of $2.2 million every week in expenses and around $5 billion in TVL. Moreover, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. At the focal point of the Abracadabra Cash is the MIM token, a United States dollar fixed stablecoin that is upheld by IBTONs. MIM tokens are stamped by the multisig holders on Ethereum, and solely after being collateralized are they infused into Course. Later on, they might be crossed over to other blockchains. You can utilize MIM to purchase other, all the more universally acknowledged stablecoins like DAI and USDC, or you can purchase Bitcoin with MIM straightforwardly on Bitfinex through the BTC MIM pair. Algorithmic stablecoins, for example, MIM are given and consumed from the circling supply to keep their worth fixed to the $1 mark. At the point when a client stores security to Abracadabra and takes out a MIM token credit, the stage mints new MIM into the stockpile, moved by the client's IBTONs and the guarantee obligation position. At the point when you reimburse the MIM, the convention consumes MIM from the stock, diminishing its general dissemination on the lookout. Those technicians extend and get the MIM supply, keeping it nailed to the stable $1 stake. In the event that you lease liquidity from suppliers in return for SPEL pay off sufficiently long, there will probably come a day when those suppliers find better rewards somewhere else. At the point when that day shows up, Abracadabra's complete worth locked will diminish. To settle this, Abracadabra Cash collaborated with Olympus DAO to assume command over its liquidity. Convention possess liquidity, or POL implies the profound liquidity it rents is under its extremely durable prudence. POL permits conventions like Abracadabra to zero in on conveying better items, without stressing over its liquidity leaking ceaselessly. SPEL token. SPEL current cost. SPEL token is as of now worth $0.000821 United States dollars. SPEL has moved 1.11% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,156,529. SPEL token is as of now position 300 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $89,432,202 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD. From the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token. SPEL, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. SPEL token. SPEL, value forecast 2023. SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. SPEL, the SPEL cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.001232. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.001150 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later, given expected coordinated efforts and headways. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000985. SPEL token. SPEL, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. SPEL token SPEL cost expectation has a lot of space for extension because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0.002053. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the SPEL's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.001642 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.001807. SPEL token SPEL value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.002874 and SPEL might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.002628 and a low of $0.002464 in 2025. SPEL token SPEL value expectation 2026. Assuming that SPEL token effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2026. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.003695 with a base cost of $0.003285 and a typical cost of $0.003449. SPEL token SPEL value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.004270 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.004106 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SPEL has a most extreme value worth of $0.004517. SPEL token SPEL value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.005092. On the off chance that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.005338. Neglecting to accumulate the help SPEL needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.004927. SPEL token SPEL value expectation 2029. While SPEL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.005749 and a yearly cost close above $0.006159 in 2029. SPEL token SPEL value forecast 2030 by 2030. SPEL token